Hello crypto enthusiasts, and welcome to another pause video. Okay, so in today's video we're going to be talking about how to solve the latest pause mystery quest, which is Pawsmas. As you can see in Paw's official Telegram handle, they said all your pause is gone, right? All your pause is gone. Green menace snatch it from ya again. Dive to the app now and take your pause back, otherwise you would enjoy coal for Christmas. So that is actually why you see this coal right here, this stone right here. Okay, so if you open the app for the first time, you see the picture of Grinch. Okay, those of us who are familiar with the story of Grinch, he's just like, he's the opposite of Father Christmas. Okay, so he doesn't like Christmas and he's known for stealing Christmas gifts. Okay, so what you need to do to recover your pause from Grinch is simple. You have to come over to the Pawsmas section and you can see ruined drop right here, and it says get your stolen pause back before Christmas. All your pause have been stolen by an unknown green monster. To get them back, follow the beast's footprints, completing tasks along the way. So what you have to do first, right, is to click on this angry emoji right here. Just click on that icon, just tap on it and you see this bold angry icon, and this very task right here would be your log. You can see pause loss reported. So we're going to click on go, and this is actually going to ask you to post this to your Telegram story. Okay, so we're going to click next right now and push to story. So that has been posted to our Telegram story, and the next here is Pawsmas is coming. Click on go. So they want you to spread the message. That's what they want you to do next, right? They want you to spread the message on Twitter. Okay, this is actually how you do it. I'm not actually logged into my account right now, but you just have to leave this hashtag Pawsmas coming and then you go ahead and post right here. It's that simple, and automatically this would be checked, and pause, of course, the first one is checked. Now if for any reason you don't see this at 500k, just keep doing the tasks over and over again, keep posting to story, and trust me, it's going to come up and you know the task would be complete. And right here you see a little body almost had them go help. Okay, so we're going to click on go right now. Okay, and this is also going to take us to Twitter, and they want you to follow this very Twitter page. Okay, I'm not actually logged into my Twitter, right? This is why you see it like this, but one thing you need to know is that the task is checked, and the last one right here says well done bud, go. And if I click on go, it's going to lead us to the next phase, okay, which I am not really sure of now, but some sources say that once the timer completes, you'll be able to claim this, but I'm not really sure of this. Okay, as you can see right here, mine is in 7 hours. Okay, it's going to open up or complete in 7 hours. Now what you have to do is to join my social media handle using the link in the description of this video, and once this completes, I'm going to post this. Okay, if I don't post it, then just know that I don't have a solution to this. But once the timer completes, I'm going to post the solution to the 5th task and the 6th task. Okay, so this is reason you want to join my social media community, because I drop important updates there. And one more thing, if you haven't joined PAWS Airdrop, then make sure you do so right now, so that you also benefit from this very airdrop. So this is basically it, guys. What you need to know is that this is simple. Maybe if you also do these tasks, you might figure this out yourself. Okay, so make sure you do this before Christmas, but even if you don't do it before Christmas, still check in and try to complete it. It's possible that you'll be given a grace of tomorrow to do these very tasks. Thanks for watching to this very point. I really appreciate you. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section and I'll try my best to respond to you. If you did enjoy the video, then leave a like. If this is your first time stopping by, then make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications for future updates. And most importantly, join my social media handle, which is Facebook, Telegram, or WhatsApp, using the link in the video description, so that you get this very update once I get the update. So this is it, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.